In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and complete Discord quests. To get started, open Discord and head to the home area by clicking the Discord logo in the top left corner. Once you're there, look over to the left sidebar and select the Quests tab. If you don't see it right away, there's another way to reach it. You can click the Discover icon, which looks like a compass and sits at the bottom of your server list, then choose Quests from there. Either route will bring you to the same place. When the quest page opens, take a moment to scroll through the available sponsored tasks. These are the activities Discord is currently offering, and each one may have a slightly different requirement. When you find the one you want to do, click Accept Quest. This tells Discord to begin tracking your progress, so make sure you've selected the correct task before moving on. Next, complete the objective based on the type of quest you accepted. If it's a video task, click Start Video Quest and let the prompt play all the way through inside Discord. It's important to keep it running to completion so the system can properly register that you finished it. If it's a gaming task, launch the specific game listed in the quest on your PC. Before you begin, go into User Settings, then Activity Privacy, and make sure the Share My Activity option is turned on. This setting allows Discord to detect your playtime and track the required runtime accurately. Some quests also require streaming. If that applies, join a voice channel and stream your gameplay to a friend for the required amount of time, which is usually around 15 minutes. Keep the stream active until the quest requirement is fully met. Once you've followed the correct task instructions and given Discord enough time to track your progress, your quest should count as completed.